Hey guys, welcome to my stop on Stretch, the sketch for today. Also, this is the best of 30 days of sketches. So we have an amazing sketch that was used not too long ago. But I'm going to stretch it to double page. So I'll give you some more information about the sketch here shortly, but here is what it looks like. I've used this one. I love it. I might even shrink it down and use it in my traveler's notebook as well because it's just a fun one and it's very easy to stretch or shrink or whatever you want to do with it. So I have 6 photos of my son at a park. So we're going to just duplicate the sketch onto another page, mirror image. And so we'll have, I think I'm going to have big title. So the title will be on both pages, like it'll span 2 pages. I haven't decided what my title is going to be yet, but that's the plan. So I'll be back after I grab some supplies. Okay guys, I've trimmed my photos down to 4x4 and decided on a collection. I got this Photo Play collection. Oh, what a beautiful day, in a scrapbooking kit from, I think this is the May scrapbooking kits? Possibly. And I loved the colors in this collection. So I definitely wanted to play with this. So I got 2 pieces of white cardstock in my scrapbook kit, which was perfect. We got some embellishments, some stickers, some punch outs from Photo Play, some little ephemera pieces, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a bunch of these papers. So now I got the paper add-on. So this paper came in there, which is great. I'm gonna totally cut these ones down to 4x4 is what my photos are. We're gonna do those 4 for sure. And then we will add some elements from some of these other papers in to kind of tie the 2 pages together. I haven't decided on what my title is going to be yet, so I got to do that as well. But otherwise, I'm excited to use these papers. So let me get all my papers cut down and laid out, figure out a title, and we will check back with you shortly. All right, so for 3 of those 6x6, I actually just gutted them because I didn't want these random weird like chunks. I figured I would use these more aptly than I would just random chunks of paper. And then I cut down, it was this paper, I cut 2 4x4s out of it, and that was a 12x12. And then I cut, I punched and then did a 1/2 inch strip of this green pattern paper. And then I went and dug in my stash and I remembered I had these giant letters from Studio Calico. They're not the same blue, but I like them because you can see them and they kind of coordinate, but they're not like so bold that they pull your face away or your eye away from all the color in the photos that are happening. So it's one of those alphas too where you only get 1 of each letter, so I had to figure out a good title where I didn't need to duplicate any letters, and this I thought was a pretty good one. So I'm going to glue these down. I already did a line of journaling over there. And then we'll just add some embellishments because I have the sticker sheet from this Photo Play collection, as well as, like I said, some of these little ephemera bits. So then we'll just kind of play. So let me get the title glued down. Get this stuff put away. I really like this collection. It's very bright and colorful. It's very, very fun. So, yeah. Just was in the mood to be playing with some new stuff this month since we were taking a break from Stash Smash. So yeah, I'll get these glued down and then we'll start putting some embellishments on and go from there. So I'll check back in with you shortly. All right, I've added a few stickers, layered these kites up, and enjoyed the sunny days. Just this little hill with a house on it. Thought it was cute. I'm gonna do this frame. We're just gonna do wet glue because it's gonna be easier. We're gonna put this frame kind of cockeyed, and then this You and Me ticket. It's gonna get some foam. Right there. This is also going to get some foam. I put this foam on something else and then ended up peeling it up. So I have this random foam that I need to cut up that doesn't have backing on it, and it's really hard to cut up sometimes when you have sticky scissors. But I only want one of my scissors to be sticky, so wah! Okay. So we're gonna glue the little birdie down. And then we're gonna glue this little banner down. And I'm going to keep this grid layout nice and clean. I'm not going to add too much more. I'm thinking about, though, adding just some enamel dots in yellow. Just in a few places. There and there. Yeah, I did this Hello Sunshine sticker in there to kind of fill that in as well. But yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who is playing along with Stretch the Sketch. I can't wait to see if anybody else did anything else with the sketch after, if they stretched it to 2-page or shrunk it. I think this would be a really good one to shrink too. I think I'm gonna try that. So I will definitely probably be doing this sketch another time on my channel for sure, doing that, like shrinking it down and maybe stretching it across 2 pages as well. But yeah, I really enjoy this one. So everybody who is playing along will be linked down below. And this is from Scrapbook Challenges, a sketch from them. They do a lot of fun challenges, a lot of fun sketches, actually. A lot of their sketches I have enjoyed thoroughly. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.